Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone app stuck on loading. So the first fix is to pause and resume the download. First, long press the app which is stuck. First, resume it, then pause it and check if it fixes the problem. If not, the second fix is to force restart your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, then down button, then hold the right side key until the Apple logo appears and shut your iPhone down. The third fix is to manually update the app. Go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now find and select the app which is stuck. For example, find the app which is stuck, any app. Now you can offload the app and download it again. Or you can delete the app and then download it from App Store. The third fix is to reset network settings. To do this, go to General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and reset your network settings. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.